Hello, welcome to Citroën Road Trip Snacks with me, Manon, and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious cereal bars which are amazing on the go. Mix the wet ingredients in a pan and heat up for a few minutes. Then mix the dried ingredients in a big bowl. Once your wet ingredients are hot enough, mix in the dry ingredients with a wooden spoon. Then spread this mix onto your pan and press it down using your wooden spoon. This is going to be baking for 23 minutes. Et voilà! Easy as that! I've got my snacks, I've got my Citroën cactus. Where should we go?
Citroën.